Sometimes car troubles pop up, and the first thought is, time to call the mechanic. But what if I told you there are fixes you can handle yourself without any fancy tools? Yup, no wrenches, no drills, just you and a bit of know-how. Let's explore 5 common car problems you can tackle right at home, saving both time and money. First up, that pesky check engine light. It's like your car's way of saying, something's not right, but I won't tell you what. Before you panic, check your gas cap. If it's loose or not sealed properly, it can trigger the light. Tighten it up, and voila! The light might turn off after a couple of drives. If it doesn't, you might need an OBD scanner, but hey, we're focusing on the easy wins here. Next, we've got squeaky windshield wipers. This isn't just annoying. It's a safety issue if your wipers aren't doing their job. Often, the culprit is dirt or grime on the blades. Grab a damp paper towel and give them a quick wipe down. If they're still squeaky, try rubbing them with a bit of rubbing alcohol. No tools, no sweat. Ever noticed one of your tires looks a little sad and deflated? You don't need a full-blown air compressor to fix it. Most gas stations have air pumps, and many are even free these days. All you need is to know your car's recommended tire pressure, which you can find on a sticker inside the driver's door or in the owner's manual. Inflate to the right level, and you're good to go. Got a cloudy headlight? Not only does it look bad, but it also reduces visibility. You can clear it up with something you probably already have, toothpaste. Rub a bit of paste on the headlight with a soft cloth in circular motions, then rinse and wipe it clean. Your headlights will shine brighter, and you didn't have to spend a dime. Finally, let's talk about minor scratches. No, you won't need a paint kit for this one. If the scratch isn't too deep, a bit of clear nail polish can seal it up and make it less noticeable. It's not a permanent fix, but it'll hold you over until you can address it properly. Car problems don't always need to mean a costly trip to the shop. With a bit of creativity and these simple tricks, you can handle a surprising number of issues on your own. What's your go-to DIY car fix? Share it in the comments, and let's keep this conversation rolling. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car care tips that make your life easier.